And as Tony mentioned, one of the hardest hit areas today, the northern part of the state.
Our Pinpoint weather team says areas like Smithfield received over 14 inches of snow, leaving residents with a lot to clean up.
Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado continues our Pinpoint weather team coverage live in Lincoln with how the conditions look there. Steph?
Well, Mike and Shannon, we're usually accustomed to seeing these huge snow piles created by the plows all season long. Winter showed up a little bit late this year, but the good news with this storm is that we've really been down to bare pavement in the parking lots, in the roads since mid-morning today. Some of them are damp, but not snowy, not icy. In part, of course, those milder temperatures today. The sun was out earlier today helping with that melting, and everyone was outside digging out. More than a foot of snow overnight means a morning with the snowblower for Richie Pillivan in Lincoln.
We have 4 season teas. You'll never get bored.
Everywhere we looked, a plow truck or someone shoveling their driveway. Franco Alfieri owns a plow, but had to dig it out first.
We have about probably 20 inches of snow, and this area just gets more snow than usual. And we woke up to this, and it was like I recruited some help, some younger help, and we've been digging out for a couple hours now.
Luckily, his teenage son Andrew had a snow day and was free to help.
Trying to earn his keep.
The snow is heavy and wet, the accumulation becoming too much for many trees and branches, like this one in Providence, falling into Elm Grove Avenue. Tough to shovel, too.
Look nice, but a lot of work to do.
With so much snow piling onto cars, Rhode Island State Police reminding drivers you can get an $85 fine for failing to clear it off.
I was pulled over for that once.
Oh, yeah?
In Lincoln, as a matter of fact, I think there are bylaws that you can't drive with snow on your vehicle.
Did you get a ticket?
No, but he gave me a stern warning.
And Richie told us he will not do that again. Now, we have seen a number of cars and trucks driving around today with 6 inches or more of snow on top of their vehicles. Not only can you get a ticket from police, but of course that endangers the drivers behind you. Now, coming up new at 6 o'clock, some people were very happy about all this snow and how it affects their wallet. We'll have that story coming up for you in the next hour. Live in Lincoln, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.
First at 6, we may be just a few weeks away from the official start of spring, but tonight, many local communities have the most snow on the ground they've had all winter.
National Grid said power's been restored to just about everyone following the storm overnight, and most roadways are down to bare pavement. This is a live look from Breaking News 1 on Sandy Lane, Warwick.
Earlier today, the heavy wet snow was enough to bring down some tree branches like here in East Providence.
Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado begins our team coverage live from Lincoln tonight. Steph?
Well, a lot of people woke up today to see a significant amount of snow, especially considering what we'd had for the beginning of this winter. There's snow piles like this all over the place. We're at the Lincoln Mall. Snow piles, of course, created by plows. And people I talked to today say it took them hours to shovel the heavy wet snow from their driveways. Rhode Islanders digging out from a foot of overnight snow Monday morning.
Then January, December, we now have nothing almost. So springtime, we have enough.
We woke up to this, and it was like I recruited some help, some younger help.
Franco Alfieri got so much snow in Lincoln, he and his son had to spend hours digging out the plow so he could use it.
The spring can't come soon enough. I mean, March is in like a lion and out like a lamb, and hopefully spring will come soon.
A couple more of these will be good.
Nelson Ferreira drives a plow for a private company. They have 96 properties, and before last night, he says there hadn't been much snow to clear this winter.
We rely on the snow for money. So, I mean, if you don't get the snow, then you don't make any money.
So a solid foot plus from this March storm meant great news for him and his coworkers.
We call that white gold.
And the roads were cleared pretty quickly today. The plows getting some help from Mother Nature due to some mild temperatures, and the sun was out today. Of course, some of those damp roads could turn icy as the temperature drops over the next few hours. Live in Lincoln, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.